Hi guys, today we're going to do some chemical reaction experiments. We're going to do a few different types, see how they work. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up my videos, and share with your friends. If you have any questions, please leave some comments, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so for this one you want a bottle, vinegar, baking soda, balloon, and a funnel. So what you want to do is you want to take some baking soda, pour it into the funnel, into the balloon. Then you want to very carefully put the balloon over the soda bottle, or over the bottle in general, and then slowly pick the balloon up so the baking soda goes into the balloon. And see how that instantly causes a reaction to where it blows the balloon up. And there we go. So, and you may want something underneath it because that is going to spew out if you don't be very careful. So, look at that. It blew the balloon instantly up. It doesn't take a lot. It's something that you can do with your kids. It's very fun to do. Have a few different going at the same time if you have more kids, or just do it for a science experiment. Very simple. Vinegar, baking soda, pour it in the bottle with a balloon on top of it, and it'll blow it right up. Very cool. I'm sure some of you guys have seen this before. It's a really neat chemical reaction between the soda, or the baking soda, and vinegar. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let's move on to the next one. What you need is peroxide, yeast, a cup, and a thermostat. What we're going to do is we're going to have a heat chemical reaction, which will be pretty cool. So what you want to do is you want to take the peroxide, put it in the bowl, let's see, or I'm sorry, in the cup. Put about a 1/4 cup in there. Alright. Okay, so we got that in there. Stick the thermostat in there. Right now it's reading about 59 degrees. Stick that in there and let it sit there for a couple of minutes. What we're going to do right now, let it sit here, and I'm going to be back in just a minute. Well, for you to be a couple seconds, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so now it's reading at about 43 degrees. What we're going to do is we're going to get some yeast, and we're going to open that up. And you want about a teaspoon, maybe even a tablespoon of yeast. And you're going to stick that in with the peroxide, and it should start fizzing. So we're going to stick that in there, and once it starts fizzing, you'll see the chemical reaction start. See how it's starting to fizz up? So now you know the chemical reaction is working. And what's going to happen is, if we can see the thermostat, take that out here for a second, mix that up. Okay, so let me wipe that off. Again, it's going to make a mess, so take that underneath it. Okay, so get that off. Wipe this off. Let's see. Okay, so it's at 43. We're going to stick that in there for a couple minutes, and we'll see what happens. Let's see if you can see it in there. Alright, we're going to keep that in there. So now that's been on there for just a few seconds, we're almost at 80 degrees. So that's the chemical reaction that happens between yeast and peroxide. It does heat up very quickly. And I know this looks gross, but here you have it. We're at, let's see, 72. Now we're dropping again. Stick that back in there. And it goes back up. So that is pretty cool. Chemical reaction between peroxide and yeast. Okay, so for this one, you're going to want a couple cups, or testing tubes. I got plastic cups. You need vinegar, baking soda, water, something to stir with, and powdered laundry detergent. So the first thing you want to do in the bigger cup, or whatever you have, take 2 spoons of laundry detergent, put it in there, and then you're going to take some vinegar and pour it into the cup with the laundry detergent. Alright. And then you want to stir it slowly, because it's already wanting to fizz up here. And have something underneath, because this will make a mess. So we'll have this dissolving in here. Alright, so we have that. So next we're going to get some baking soda and put it into the next cup. Let's see, again just a couple tablespoons. Well, actually on this we'll do a half tablespoon. Put that in there. Then you're going to take the water and put about a third cup of water into it. And I should really put something else underneath that because that is going to make a mess. Put that in there with it. Alright. Stick this underneath it too because that will make a mess. Alright. Hopefully I don't make a mess here. Okay, so we have that. So next what you want to do is stir that baking soda in with the water. And once you got that mixed together, you're going to want to slowly stick the water with the baking soda into the laundry detergent vinegar mix. So let's see what happens. Here we go. Make sure you can see. Alright. Alright. And then it's going to overflow. You'll get a bunch of bubbles, a bunch of foam overflow. And what that is it's pretty much making a foam machine, because it's going to start just foaming up. You're getting a bunch of different bubbles going on. Let's go ahead and put some more baking soda in there. Let's see, anything? So it is pretty foamy. You should put some more vinegar in it. I had less, or I ran out of vinegar, but the purpose of this is you're going to make a lot of soap out of it. It's pretty cool. It's got a chemical reaction with the vinegar, the baking soda, and the laundry detergent, which mixes together. If you had a skinnier glass veil or anything, you would get a lot more foam out of it. But it's pretty neat. Do with your kids as well. A fun experiment. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed these chemical reactions that we did today. We're going to have a lot more cool videos coming up. Please subscribe, enjoy my videos, thumbs up, and tell your friends and family about my videos. If you have any recommendations, please leave comments below. Let me know what you want to see. I will get it done, I promise. Please guys, subscribe and have a good day.